tears when we walk in. Every step like a war drum talking. Eyes on me, no second chance. We the storm, we the last defense. Lights flicker in the distance, but I feel no fear, only resistance. Heart of fire, grip of steel. This pain is how I heal. Voices calling out my name. In the dark we play no games. We were made for nights like this. One shot, one sound, one wish. This is what it sounds like when the silence starts to break. When the hunters rise and strike, feel the earth begin to shake. It's the sound of fire. Our hearts are never tired. We don't run, we ignite. This is what it sounds like. Dark skies, red moons, no peace. Demons lurking, but we don't freeze. Pulse of thunder, calm like snow. We the line they'll never cross, no, no. Chains won't hold me, faith won't bind. I've seen hell and I won't rewind. No mercy, no retreat. I fight better when I bleed. Either close your eyes, hear the scream. This is more than just a dream. Light will bend but won't break. Together we the storm the dark can't take. This is what it sounds like when the chosen find their voice. Feel the rhythm, feel the strike. We don't fall, we make the choice. Let them tremble in the night. We were born to be the fight. No escape, no rewind. This is what it sounds like. Yeah, when the chosen find their voice. Feel the rhythm, feel the strike. We don't fall, we make the choice. Let them tremble in the night. We were born to be the fight. No escape, no rewind. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like when light refuses